Underwood standard portable 3-bank typewriter. Yesterday I reviewed the Remington 3B typewriter, right? At the time I mentioned about the 3-bank, right? 3-bank typewriter, normally it's common thing is two function key, one for capital, one for figure. Means each typebar has three characters, right? Yeah. So all the typewriters has like this model a lot. For example, this is Sun. I think it's a standard, not the portable, but 3 low, right? And then exactly same, capital and figure. And then, as you know, see this one is a Corona folding typewriter, right? Also 3-bank. The early version, they had just the left side, the figure and the cap. But this is the second version, so they have both sides. I have early version also. So this one is Rambly. It's a 3-bank, right? Okay, and then figure and cap, right? That means exactly the same with this one. This line has the 3 character, right? Yeah, that's the common thing. Of course, this one also each bar has a 3 character. This one exactly the same. Not this one is not today topic. I want to focus just to this one today. Okay. Outside I can easily clean because it's glossy. Also, it's cosmetically outside is good, but inside and then see this part is very dirty. Yeah, so I want to clean this part. So see, yeah, when I hit for red, it's continually this ribbon stuck here like this. So that means it's stuck, or sometimes I can get the red print, just black. For black, it's okay. For red, so that means I guess this part should be a little bit more like this side, this one. So we need a little bit bent. Then after up, and then still it doesn't touch the around here. So I try to fix it. This problem means if we change the direction from here to the other way, from here to here, then it will be solved automatically, but that's not the correct one. But still we can do that. Let's see, because I already opened, so we need change by manual direction. Now it will be moved like that. See, because when you go this way, this is too close to this side. That's why it's continually stuck. But for this way, it's move like this ribbon. So even though close this way, ribbon turn this way. So it's automatically smoothly going down. See? Yeah. So for this direction, we need a little bit this one bent to like this. Then both direction it will be okay. Let's see. Now a little bit behind the ribbon. This one, bottom one, little bit bent to the backward, and then if hit any key, it's like up. But at that time, this one go right side too much, so I more like both sides a little bit widen, make widen, and then let's see, then I think it's much better. See, yeah, okay, let's see, any key, see, yeah, see, yeah, it's okay, right? And then change the direction like this, same thing, okay, change the color, so okay, and change the direction, it's okay, and then change the color, it's okay, and then change the direction, it's okay, see, yeah, so two things, it should be the ribbon spool turn correctly, because turn one ribbon spool feed but other one doesn't receive, then it automatically stop. That's the one thing to check. And then another thing is if I hit the, you see this range should be far enough, because when you going down, this ribbon doesn't touch the end of this both side. See? Yeah. So, and then that means little bit this one should be behind like this, and then wide enough to going down without touching this edge, both edge. Yeah, then it works perfect. See, any direction, it's okay, no problem. Okay, it's almost 100 old typewriter, right? As you saw the video, it was dirty, so I took this part and then clean. Right now it's very nice. When you put back this one, you need to be careful the ribbon choice, ribbon direction, both sides, and then also the ribbon color choice. If you push and then screw, then it's very hard to using this stuff, because under here there are one hole, small hole, and then under here on the red there is another small hole, and then between there is a even something like turning point, so it's block both sides. So when you put this one, there should be a little bit room, because if you screw very tight, then it's very hard to move like this one. See? Yeah, like this. Like this. Yeah, that's the ribbon color choice. This is just 3-bank, right? Yeah. A lot of collectors want to this one, especially like this beautiful cosmetic condition. Yeah, a little bit cost. Usually I don't know why the 3-bank typewriter a little bit expensive these days, especially. Already you saw the different type of 3-bank, right? So 3-bank normally 2 function key, right? Yeah, one for the figure, one for the capital. And then someone asked about the 3-bank and then the space key. There is no half space key. I checked this one and then other one, same thing. Even though we put down the space bar and then hit the letter, the result is the same. No half space. This is really a beautiful condition. This is designed for the use this typewriter with the base, because there is no ruler, so that means they design use this typewriter with the base together. Okay. Still, the every letter very clear. See, yeah, and then paper supporter. It's good. See, yeah. This design, the bell connected together with the margin setup. This one exactly with the Continental portable typewriter. They have the same, but there this part, the material was solid, although a little bit like well, compared to that Continental, a little bit weak, but still is good. Okay, yeah. So let's see the how it works bell sound. Like this. See, yeah, because there is the gap. If pass here, then it suddenly drop because of the spring power, right? So that's the how to bell works. See one more. Go, and then it's there, and then it's raised up a little bit, and then if we pass this point, then it hit the bell like this. So I saw some other one doesn't works properly. That means this stuff too far inside or too far outside, then it doesn't works. Also, this one maybe bended like inside or outside, still it doesn't works. So it should be like this exactly. This one should touch this one, the small one, or over like this. Yeah, that's the bell system, right? And then this draw code is original. This is a mainspring here. Okay, and then very good condition, right? Yeah, I clean nicely, yeah, inside. And then some Underwood, they missing this part, right, a lot. So check this one, and then this is a carriage release button like this, but only it has the backspace, no tap, and then no carriage release button. Yeah, but you have the lock key. Yeah, they have figure out, and then capital lock. Okay, lock is work the inside over there, like this. Okay. Yeah, like this. That's the lock. Let's see some sample typing. Thank you for watching.